Hello, this is Rawatron Horizon all black electric motorbike. This has 72 volt 32 amp lead acid battery, Votol EM-100S controller programmable, 17-inch wheels, full size motorcycle style, has anti-theft alarm, remote start, Bluetooth stereo, LED display, hydraulic disc brakes. It can be upgraded to 88 volt 40 amp lithium or 80 amp for longer range. You can program this to 3-speed up to 100 kilometers. You have speed 1, 2, 3 on it. Park mode, lights, front disc brakes. These are master cylinders, high beam, low beam, hazards, signals, reverse assist, honk, throttle. The battery disconnect or air switch is on this under the fairing, this panel. This is the switch to reset or turn off the batteries or park in winters. Monoshock can be adjusted for height. There's a storage underneath this seat. This is the charging port. This under this flap. Beautiful daytime running lights and bright LED lights for night. Two key fobs, two remotes. Remote start with this. Cancel, alarm, unalarm.